Do you want to learn how to make $1,000 per month in passive income while you sleep with the ClickFunnels platform? Well, I'm going to show you how to do that in this video. What's going on, Wolves? Eric Ellis Jr. here, back at it again with another Fire Ass video. And in this video, we're simply going to be teaching you guys exactly the methods that I'm using to generate $1,000 per month while I sleep without any work whatsoever, just recurring income. I wake up, I check my phone. That's what we were looking at earlier. I check my phone and there's a bunch of money in there. I mean, how awesome would that be for you? Pretty awesome, right? Well, we're going to check that out. But before we hop behind the laptop, go ahead and hit that thumbs up and hit that subscribers button and hit that notifications bell to join the damn family, right? So let's step behind the laptop.
So you notice as soon as we log into my ClickFunnels account, there's this new back office that I like. And the cool thing is that it immediately shows you what you've earned. Now today so far I've earned $167.30. And in the past 30 days I've generated $1,246.64 in pure passive income. Now I'm going to show you guys exactly how I did this, number one. But number two, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how you guys could do this and 10x this, meaning make $1,000 a month, $10,000 a month, and so on, right? Because I'm not actually even an active ClickFunnels affiliate, right? But first and foremost, how do you become a ClickFunnels affiliate? Click the first link in the description, and you'll be able to get access to a ClickFunnels free account. And then the second link in the description, you'll be able to get access to bonus training that'll teach you actually how to build funnels and how to monetize those funnels. But the first thing you'll be able to create your free ClickFunnels account, right? So if you notice, guys, $1,246 in passive income. I don't actively promote it, but let's show you guys how. First and foremost is once you log in, there's the affiliates area, right? So we're going to press the affiliates area. Bear with me. So if you notice, Wednesday I made $167. The day before that I made $28. The day before that I made $177.88. Total lifetime earnings, I've made $6,815.27. I've been paid $5,000 of that. And then I have $1,698 still pending. So I'm expecting almost another $2,000 that's going to be deposited in my bank account, which is pretty cool. And in holdings past Monday, $1,400. Ready for payout next Monday, $300. That's pretty cool. And what I like about ClickFunnels affiliate program is that they pay you every single week, so you can expect a check every week. The cool thing about that is when you get faster payouts, if you want to do paid traffic, you can actually reinvest that money back into your business. And then, as stated before, the last 30 days, I've made $1,246 in revenue. Now, the cool thing is, once you go to the affiliate section, is there's different affiliates, tools, and links, right? And this is what I mean by passive income, guys. I want you guys to read this very clearly, right? MRR, monthly recurring revenue, and that's active customers past trial. So guys, what that means is I'm making $1,000 per month without doing any work. Now, I don't know if you guys have been following me for a long period of time, but literally the last 2 weeks prior to creating this video, like I haven't created a YouTube video, I haven't created any Facebook ads, I haven't done anything towards affiliate marketing because I just got to the US and I've literally been spending time with my friends and my families and getting acclimated because I just traveled 17 months. Within the last 8 months alone, I traveled 12 different countries, right? So that shows you guys the power of passive income. Now, how am I able to do this? Is simply just getting people to sign up for the free trial of ClickFunnels, right? But if you notice, guys, I have 3 full suites at $356, and then I have the startup, which is $582, and then I have another full suite, which is $118. So that's where my $1,080.39 comes to per month, right? So I would highly recommend once you guys actually invest into this, if you guys once it gives you the option, if you do want to do the full suite, the cool thing about the full suite is it gives you Actionetics and Backpack, right? So Actionetics and Backpack is simply you're going to be able to do email marketing. So when you do paid advertisement and you start collecting leads, you can start doing email marketing and email broadcasts with ClickFunnels without paying for a third-party software, right? So you could do email marketing and you could do text message marketing and you can do capturing leads with the sales funnels that you're going to be creating, right? Now, let's take a look. So the thing is what you can do is there's different affiliate offers. So 30-day summit, ClickFunnels affiliate center. Then there's 108 split testing.com secrets, expert secrets, funnel Fridays, all these different offers, right? Now, the cool thing about ClickFunnels is they have something called a sticky cookie, right? Now, what you guys can do is if you guys don't affiliate ClickFunnels affiliate center, so you press get affiliate tools, what it's going to do is it's going to go ahead and give you access to the first, it'll introduce you to the affiliate manager, but then it's going to go ahead and give you access to the main affiliate links, right? So the first one is the free ClickFunnels account that you can basically share with people, right? I love the account, or excuse me, this software so much because, guys, I've made way more money online because of ClickFunnels, like 6 figures online because of ClickFunnels, not because of the actual software, because I use the software and I leverage that software to make money, right? So because I leverage the software, when people ask me about it, or if the first thing that I recommend to people is ClickFunnels, I simply just share this link, right? So get affiliate tools, boom, it gives you the link. Then another one is this training right here, which is funnel hacks. So not only when people sign up for the ClickFunnels account are you going to go ahead and get paid a recurring commission, but you'll also get paid up to $400 per sale with funnel hacks auto webinar, right? So these are the two main ones that I would promote if I was an affiliate. And if you don't have experience, the cool thing is that you guys could actually sign up for the affiliate bootcamp, right? To where it'll literally give you guys the training you guys need. And basically, once you guys become an affiliate with ClickFunnels, you guys can get access to the affiliate bootcamp for free. And simply right here, if you want to join, there's this big old affiliate bootcamp, and it says click here. And this is what you guys get access to once you guys get access to ClickFunnels affiliate program, right? Now it's going to go to basically break down the foundation for you guys. It's going to teach you guys how to create your first funnel. It's going to teach you how to improve your funnel. It's going to go ahead and teach you how to add affiliate offers on the back end. It's going to be able to teach you how to 2x your growth, right? And it's going to go ahead and teach you guys about traffic. And then it's literally giving you guys all this stuff, right? Like, it's ridiculous what they give you as an affiliate. So they give you this, they give you the funnel, they give you back end funnel. They literally teach you how to promote everything. So their affiliate training is like ridiculous. And you get it all for free once you click the first link down below and you sign up with ClickFunnels for free. And then you go to the affiliate area. Guys, look at how many freaking trainings. Look at all these days, right? So, and then it'll teach you guys everything you guys need to know to actually promote these affiliate offers. So, here we go. Yeah, so once you guys get access to the affiliate, or excuse me, inside here, and you guys press get my affiliate tools links, then you click right here, affiliate bootcamp, and then you'll get access to all this free content as well, which will teach you everything you need to know to actually successfully promote their products. Now, how I promote their products is I simply leverage, first and foremost, word of mouth. So when people ask me what I use as an affiliate, I simply, or not as an affiliate, for my funnels, I simply just give them my link, right? That's number one. Number two is I have this in the resources section on my website and my YouTube channel in my description, to where when people click this, it's just building my revenue, right? So $1,000 per month. What would an extra $1,000 per month do for you? I don't know about you guys, but I mean, it's just a little extra spending money. I mean, that right there is rent. Literally, I can pay for my rent with $1,000 a month. I can pay for my rent. right? And it's autopilot. So imagine living rent-free, like monthly recurring revenue, rent-free. What if you live rent-free? Like how would you feel if you didn't have to pay for rent anymore? Now back in the day, my rent used to be $500. So not only could that be rent, that could be rent and a car payment, right? So guys, with that being said, if you guys want to get to the next level in your business, what you want to do is you want to go and click the link down below, get access to ClickFunnels, to the free account, and then go to the affiliate section by simply right here. So go to the affiliate section, and then you're simply going to go ahead and press get tools, and then you can get access to the affiliate bootcamp, and then you'll get all this training that will teach you guys how to become a successful ClickFunnels affiliate, and then you'll be on your way to be making $1,000 in passive income per month and more, right? You can make as much as you want. The top affiliate has made over $1 million with ClickFunnels, right? I've made six figures with ClickFunnels, not with the actual program, but just leveraging the software. So guys, people like to say, okay, well, let me ask you guys a question, because if you have the full suite, which is $297 a month, people complain, oh my God, that's so expensive. Guys, I'm getting that for free. I just made $1,000 in the last month, and I'm getting 4x that, right? And recurring revenue. So if you're making all this money, invest it back into your business, right? Just go all in, guys. You have nothing to lose by trying out the full suite and trying out just the regular ClickFunnels, right? So go all in. That's what I'd highly recommend. Try it. If you guys do invest into it, feel free to message me, and I'll be more than happy to help you guys with whatever I can. And you guys, as stated before, can get access below by clicking the first link down below. And number two, the second link will actually be a ClickFunnels free training.
All right, guys. So with that being said, I mean, there's multiple ways that you guys can generate an income with the ClickFunnels affiliate program. As stated before, guys, you can click the link in the description to get access to your account for free. Number two, if you guys want an extensive training, I'd highly recommend it. The second link in the description, grab access to it, learn how to create funnels, learn how to freaking 10x your business and start generating an income on autopilot online, right? But the name of the game, guys, is generating high quality traffic, just providing a software or a product that ClickFunnels offers to provide a solution to somebody who needs your help, right? And the more people you help, the more money you make. It's freaking amazing, right? And if you guys enjoyed that video, make sure to show your boy some love by giving me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button, hit that notifications bell to join the family. Now, with that being said, I appreciate you guys as always. I will see you guys the next time we shoot a video. Eric Ellis Jr. checking out.
Yeah, Gucci gang. Yeah.
Big head on the beat.
Gucci gang, 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 Gucci gang.